Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Square Invoices payments to your bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Square Invoices payments to your bank, first, ensure you are logged into your Square account. Navigate to the Invoices section in the main menu. Choose the invoice from which you want to withdraw funds. Click on the invoice to open its details. Look for the option labeled Payments or Transactions. Here, you can see the payments you've received for that invoice. Verify the total amount available for withdrawal. Next, go to the Balance section of your Square account. Check the available balance you have accumulated from your invoices. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Transfer or Withdraw button. You will be prompted to select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the on-screen instructions to add one. Once selected, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal process. You should receive a notification once your withdrawal request is processed. Funds typically arrive in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. For tracking purposes, you can refer back to the Transactions section to see the status of your withdrawal. That's how you withdraw payments from Square Invoices to your bank easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.